Hi friends, this video shows how to locate misplaced Google TV remote by playing a sound. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to remotes and accessories. Go down, set find my remote. Then enable this option. Find my remote. Let me enable, done. Okay. Then if you want to locate a misplaced remote, you just need to press this reset button on the back side of the device. Just press and release the reset button. See, now it's playing sound here in this remote. So if you want to stop, you can just press on the any button and stop it. So this way we can easily locate misplaced remote by playing a sound. Let me try again press this reset button. See, let me stop it. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.